Hello, traders. This is Chris from AAAFx taking a look at the crude oil market. Pretty busy day for the oil markets. OPEC can't really get its act together, and it got punished during the session. We initially tried to break out as there were leaked reports, and this is always the problem around OPEC meetings, that something happened. Generally, what happens is somebody will leak a rumor or a story, and they'll get the market on one side, and then they'll go the other. And that's pretty much what happened today. So it was manipulated via a report that Saudi Arabia got an agreement for production cuts, at least in theory. Now, I believe it was Oman said that they were going to cut 42,000 barrels a day. Well, technically that's a true rumor, but not enough to move the market. So almost immediately, once it became clear that OPEC couldn't get its act together, it plunged. Now, having said that, we are still right in the middle of this area. So essentially, this was a day where not a whole lot changed. We had a positive day the day before. We tested the top. We pulled back. So I think we continue to chop around between 77 and 72.5 here in the US or WTI grade. Brent, same situation. We hit the 200 and just plunged. We're right around the $80 level. So now we're back to the same analysis that we had on Tuesday. Just a market that's kind of hanging around in this consolidation area. OPEC probably gets something done eventually, but they showed just how divided that they were during the day, and that causes some issues. So here's the question. Maybe the boxes on the charts, both of these, have now become the trading range for oil for a while. You can see it does do that quite a bit. So if that's going to be the case, you're in the middle of the trading range. Really not a lot to do right now. Short at the top, buy at the bottom. Eventually you break out one way or the other and you have a losing trade. But the idea is you have 4 or 5 in a row. Right now, it's literally a 50-50 shot as to which direction we go.